Have you forgotten something important? या आप यूके आते वक्त कुछ अपनी ज़रूरी चीज़ें लेके आए हैं? Hello and welcome back to PHS Guide. I know it's been a long time कि मैं आपके लिए वीडियो नहीं बना सका, लेकिन आज मैं आपके लिए एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट वीडियो के साथ यहाँ पर हाजिर हुआ हूँ। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कि यूके आते वक्त आपको किन चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है, especially for the students, what are the things to pack for you when you are coming to UK, और क्या कुछ आपने नहीं लेके आना। So be with us till the video. आज की इस वीडियो में मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस से आपको बताऊंगा, क्योंकि you can see many other videos and even you can search on Google and ChatGPT that what are the things to bring and what are the things not to bring. लेकिन आज out of my experience I will be just informing you what you should bring when you are coming to UK, so that when you come here you should feel relaxed and easy and not to bother anything in your starting months. So before getting into the video या पैकिंग के बारे में बात करने से पहले, make sure that you should know that how much luggage capacity you can bring in. और luggage capacity के बारे में जानने के लिए you can contact your airline, or once you are booking your ticket, it will be mentioned on your ticket as well that you have got this much luggage capacity, या कितने bags आप UK लेके आ सकते हैं, that how many bags you can bring. Either you can bring one or two in order to divide your luggage weight into bags, and then you have got another handy bags or the cabin bag, and also you can have your backpack with you when you are traveling in the airline. So moving towards your packing items, let's talk about the essential documents. Make sure that when you are packing your things that bring your traveling documents and as well as your educational documents, and if you have any accommodation contracts, make sure to keep those things as well. और अगर आप किसी medication पे हैं, or if you have any health issues, so make sure to bring your prescriptions as well while you are traveling to UK. So the next category we are going to talk about is your weather ready wardrobe. Make sure that when you are coming to UK, the UK's weather is unpredictable. क्योंकि in a one moment you will see a very shiny bright sunny sun, and in the other moment or in the other minute there will be a heavy rain. Therefore जब आप UK आएं तो make sure करें that you have your raincoat, that is very much essential here in London and all over in UK. और इसके साथ साथ you should have your jackets, your warm clothes, inners and other casual dresses and informal dresses as well. Here I would like to give a tip that you should have your white shirts and black pants, black pant coat, and also a black dress shirt, because when you will be going for a formal meeting or any other official business meeting, so you will require these things to wear. And when you are talking about the informals, so you can wear your informals when you are going out for picnic or for enjoyment. And इसके साथ साथ if you have university in 2 days or 1 day a week, तो वहाँ पर आप अपने casual dressing में जा सकते हैं. So the third category we are going to talk about is your study essentials. Make sure you should have a laptop when you come here in UK, especially for the students, because you will need that laptop in your study, making your assignment, presentations and many other things. इसके साथ साथ you should have in your electronics, you bring your power bank, adapters and your converters, because in UK you have different types of sockets where you plug in your chargers, जिसके लिए आप अपना अलग से converters लेके आएं. और इसके साथ साथ you should have your backpack, as I told you earlier, in the baggage, because once you will be going to university, you should carry your umbrella, your raincoat in your bag and laptop in your backpack. So the next segment we are going to talk about is your toiletry things. If you have a particular type of soap or shampoo and body wash which you use, so make sure that you should not have any health issues or skin allergies once you come in UK. And जब आप ये चीज़ें पैक करें तो इनको अच्छे तरीके से पैक करना है so that they may not get leak in your clothes. और इसके साथ साथ आप अपने ट्रिमर भी रख सकते हैं, especially for the males, because once you come in UK it's very expensive to get your hair cut and to trim your beard. और जब आप अपने ट्रिमर वगैरह अपने साथ रखेंगे so you can easily manage your beard to be trimmed. And for girls and for women, I would advise to get your particular makeup kits as well, and perfumes or different kinds of fragrances which you like the most. Last but not the least, you should bring your utensils as well, because once you come in the UK, यहाँ पर environment different है and people cook differently, but we cook in our own methods, जिसके लिए आपको specifically you might need a frying pan or pressure cooker as well, ताकि आप अपने favorite dishes जो है वो अच्छी तरीके से बना सकें. और इसके साथ साथ you should bring your favorite mugs, your plates, so that you feel at home once you are in UK. So ये थी आज की वीडियो जिसमें मैंने आपको वो सारी ज़रूरी चीज़ें बताई हैं which you should bring in your suitcase. If you like this video helpful, don't forget to comment and like this video. Or if you have any other packing tips or questions, please comment me in the comment box, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.